Guys, kita ada di Museum Salib IYD. Museum ini dibuat untuk meletakkan salib-salib yang dipakai pada acara Indonesian Youth Day 2023 di Palembang. Dan kita ingat waktu itu para utusan membawa salib yang sudah keliling di keuskupannya masing-masing dan dibawa ke tempat ini sebagai simbol perziarahan. Kita lihat ya salib-salib yang ditaruh di sini. Pastikan salib kalian dari keuskupan kalian ada di sini. Cek ya.
When fear surrounds and shadows fall, when I can't rise, when strength feels small, I lift my eyes and call His name, the one who breaks the hurt and shame. I speak Jesus over chains fall down, the lost revive. There's no power like His love. I speak Jesus. In every home, in every street, in hearts that long for something deep, I whisper peace, I sing His name. The Savior's love will never change. I speak Jesus over doubt, over storms that rage inside. Hope for every pain, freedom in His flame. Jesus still remains. Name above all names. Hope for every pain, freedom in His flame. Jesus still remains. Name above all names. Hope for every pain, freedom in His flame. I speak Jesus loud and clear. Every stronghold disappears. Oh,